Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm now in garage doing some stuff on my new bike. So I was thinking it's good time to record one video. So this is the Sherco factory model 250 2019 year. So it's this model. I'm going to start from the front. So on the front you have Kayaba forks, and then you have the Nikin triple clamps. So that is coming with the factory model. On the handlebar you have the clutch like on the KTM models, kill switch, headlight switch, this handlebar, but if you ask me it's too much low, so I'm going to remove it and use rental twin wall 997. And here you have the start button and the mapping switch. So map 1, map 2, and it's making really huge difference because you can really feel the difference between the two maps. On the KTM TPI, there is almost no difference between the maps. I think because this power valve is electric and it's making a huge difference. So, but go in the front. So because the bike is factory model, it has these special rims, axle. They are very tight, maybe more heavy than on the KTM, but they are very strong. Then you get this disc. They say it's better, but I don't know. So Brembo brakes like on the KTM. So almost, I think it's same model and everything. So Kayaba forks. Then when you come to the cooling system, this factory model has wider cooling. So 1 centimeter they made the radiator wider. I don't know why, but that is coming with the factory model. Also you can see this box, it's same like on the KTM TPI. So also I need to say I don't like this plastic, but I'm going to remove it because I will install the radiator protection. So then this part, it's also different than on KTM. It's really different. So with the factory model also you get Fmf pipe and the silencer. Also this skid plate, and it's very nice. I tested it already. K-Hin carb, V-Force 4. So that is amazing. Also you can see this thermo switch, it's for the cooling fan. Also with this bike you get a cooling fan, that is really amazing. And here you got the protection for the chain, but I removed it because with the bike you get 14, 49, and when I was testing yesterday, the bike was too much fast for me, so I removed this and installed 13. I will keep the back on the stock, so I hope it will work better now. So also you get this cooling overflow tank, but I think I will remove that. But first I'm going to test, maybe that is working okay. Also axle rims on the back. So yeah, I'm going from another side to show you better Fmf Exhaust. So it's Gold Series Fmf. Really working great on this bike. Nice bottom end, nice sound, engine is working perfect. So you get the cooling fan, Kayaba rear shock, and this beauty thing. So now you can see my rear brake is removed, because I'm going to install full disc protection for this. I need to say I also removed this chain protection. It's going here, but for me that is useless. It's just for street. So I removed this from the back wheel, because I'm going to use this X-grip full disc guard, and it's really strong. Look. So I already done some modifications on the bike, nothing special. In the front I removed the tube and installed the normal mousse. And on the back I removed the tube, installed one, two rim locks, and X-grip super soft mousse. So that is going to work really nice. So it's really soft. I need also to say that I'm going to remove this tail light, because for me it's useless. So the bike has, look, it's new. To remove the seat, on the KTM you had like 2 bolts here and here, and on the older KTM you had bolt from down. So on the Sherco you just make this and it's finished. So the air filter, it's here. You can't remove this plastic to remove the filter, so that's not good thing, because on the KTM you just pop out and change the filter. But this is also the fast way. Maybe my seat will go off sometime, but I don't know. But I didn't found people have this problem. Also on the battery you have one button here to open the seat, and nobody has any problems. Also the difference, the KTM has battery like here, and the Sherco has the battery under this air filter. So the battery on the Sherco, it's here in this black box. I'm not sure is that good or not, but they made every weight to the center. So everything is to the center to make bike turn more easy and to make the bike more fun to ride. Also this hole is because they use the same tank on the 4 strokes, and they install the fuel pump here, but this bike is not having fuel pump, so that is all just for staying like that. Also this bike has no kickstart. Yeah, that's not good thing, but I think that this electric start, it's going to work good. So if I have any problems, I'm going to update you. So for now the bike is working okay for me, but yeah, I didn't tested it in forest. I just was riding in like grass and sand mine. But yeah, I'm going to get some more protection, like for the swing arm, engine, clutch, radiators, disc, and I'm going to use the hand guards. This one, I don't like the closet one. So yeah, it's for me it's nice bike. So now I'm going to install the disc guard and then tighten up the front sprocket, and the bike is ready for the tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I also didn't sell the KTM TPI, so I can do video Sherco and KTM, like what is different, what is better on the Sherco, what is better on the KTM. So yeah, thanks for watching.